Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. So if you remember a few weeks ago, I collected some soil samples in my front yard and my backyard and I had them both tested separately. I did get those results back and I wanted to share those results with you guys today, as well as kind of talk to you guys about what my game plan is based off those results for this upcoming year. So stick around and let's get right into this. So before I get into this, I wanted to first say when you get your results back, don't look at it as like a report card, like it's good or bad. Look at it from the sense of like, all right, here's what we're working with, now how can I make things better? So at first glance in my front yard soil test results, there's nothing I see that is really high or low. For the most part, everything is pretty even across the board with no pH issues. Let's look at my macronutrient levels first. So I was suspicious of my phosphorus levels being high and potassium levels being low prior to the test, since I was mostly putting down Milorganite last year. With phosphorus levels looking good, I will not be utilizing a fertilizer with phosphorus in it for my initial fertilizer applications of the year. With nitrogen and potassium levels being low, I will be putting down a fertilizer that is a Ringer Lawn Restore clone that I found at my local Home Depot. It has an analysis of 1002 and I will be putting this down at a rate of 7 pounds per 1,000 square feet, giving me just under 3/4 pounds of nitrogen. This year I am trying to keep my applications of nitrogen no higher than 3/4 pounds at one time. Moving over to the micronutrients, you can see they are all a bit low, with iron being the lowest. To help with the low iron and other micronutrients, I'll be utilizing 002 microgreen throughout the season, roughly once a month at a rate of about 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Let's go ahead and move on to my backyard. My backyard was a little different, but overall very similar, so I will be carrying out the same plan here that I am in my front yard. Again, looking at the macronutrients first, you can see my phosphorus levels are a little high, so again, I don't need to be putting down any fertilizer with phosphorus in it at the moment. The nitrogen and potassium levels are the lowest macronutrients that I need to concern myself with right now. As for the micronutrients, I will again be putting down 002 microgreen throughout the season at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet to help with these levels, just like I am in my front yard. Finally, I will be utilizing humic acids, root growth stimulants, and liquid aeration in both my front and backyard throughout different times in the season to help continue improving the soil and strengthen the plant. Prior to moving forward with my plans, I wanted to double check my thought process with someone that has a lot more education and experience with this, so I asked John Perry to take a look at these soil results. He thought everything I was planning on doing looked sound, but also recommended I consider amending my soil with a half pound of potassium once or twice this year by using sulfate of potash with an analysis of 0050 at a rate of 1 pound per 1,000 square feet to help with my potassium levels. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this helped you out in some form or fashion. I wanted to really thank you guys for watching my videos, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you do like my content, please give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments below. Stay tuned to my next video. I will be showing my first fertilizer application of the year based on these soil results. But like I said, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.